Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A4 B7 headlight bulb. To begin, you'll need to locate and remove the two Torx screws that secure the top of the headlight assembly. Once those are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward a few inches. This action creates the necessary space for you to work comfortably. Then, reach behind the headlight and carefully disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its release tab. Now that the headlight is accessible, you can remove the rear cover. Simply twist it counterclockwise until it comes off. Inside, you'll see the bulb secured by a metal retaining spring. Gently unclip this spring to release the bulb. With the spring unclipped, you can carefully pull the old headlight bulb straight out from its socket. Be sure to handle it by the base to avoid touching the glass. When installing the new bulb, make sure to align its tabs with the notches in the socket. This ensures it sits correctly. Once aligned, gently push the bulb into place. Then, re-engage the metal retaining spring clip to firmly secure the bulb. Finally, replace the rear cover by twisting it clockwise until it is snug and fully sealed. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. To finish up, reconnect the main electrical connector to the back of the headlight assembly. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its original position, ensuring it sits flush. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other exclusive deals. Finally, fasten the two Torx screws you removed earlier to fully secure the headlight in place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.